All right, so I just got in touch with the lady, her and her husband, who were wanting this artwork done here, and it looks like there was a little bit of a misunderstanding on my part. Apparently, what they want to do, and I'll have to say my wife was right. She's the one who said, "I bet they wanted it this way." Is they want to get rid of this here, the entire part of it. So let me just move that out of the way, and let's see if we can explode this one. Okay, and sorry, my computer's kind of going wonky here. I mean, I guess I could have just redrawn this then, which would have been just as easy, and I may end up doing that now. As a matter of fact, all we're talking about is dimension here, so I think it actually might be easier for me to do that. So what I'm going to do is, I think I will just redraw this. So let's, because I thought they wanted the starburst part, turns out they don't, so we could just easily redraw it and mimic the size of everything. So let's do this first. Let's get down here and let's put this here. Nope, that's not center. Nope, that's not center either. Let's see what's happening. I don't know why my computer, stop. Okay, so let's see what we got. Here we go. Yep, that should be about right. I can also just take this and figure out where we're at, 444 millimeters, which should be 44 because we're times 10. So let's do 222. There we go. That is exactly that size. And then let's figure out this part. And let me just get rid of this. I get rid of that right there. And then let's, oh, I got everybody and their dog contacting me right now. This is about to get crazy. All right, so longest point down will be 385. So let's do that next. I don't know why caps is coming. What is going on? Stop. Turn off. Thank you. Pretty sure we were at 385. Stop hitting the caps lock key. So 385 is going to be 380, 190, 192.50, I guess. I think that's about right. 192.50. Yep, that's it right there. Okay, now, if I have this right, and let's just see what the measurement is here. The measurement here is going to be 170. So we'll stretch this 170. So let's do that. Okay, and then we'll bring this down with it. Whoops. There we go. Okay, and then we'll make the face here. There we go. And then let's go ahead and let's group this. And then I didn't want to make a component. I just want to make a group. Make a group. And then let's open it. Let's check it. There's going to be a couple things that need to be fixed, and they are now fixed. All right, now let's look at this here. The opening here is going to be, looks like about 85 millimeters in the dead center, right? Dead center, okay. So what we will do, we will go dead center here. Perfect. And then we know that we are at 170. Sorry, so we'll go to 85. There's our center. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this out a little bit to about right here. Okay, now this is a group, so let's explode the group real quick. And we want to make a hole that is about 42.5 millimeters. So let's do that. There we go. This would have been a lot quicker. It's on me. I mean, this is a new thing for me as far as helping customers out like this. And so, but to me, I'm like, hey, can you get on a call? And I got to realize I'm probably the only person sitting in front of a computer. Everybody else has actual real life. So I really, it's not as easy to reach everybody like I'm thinking, but I'm glad we were able to finally get through. Okay, so we're gonna run this through to here, bam, just like that, right? Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take all of these and we're gonna tell it to intersect with selection, and there we go. And now we can just get rid, I believe it's pretty much, now I don't know why those are there, so that could be a problem. I'll have to check that real quick. Oh, that looks good actually. Yep. Look at that, see? So there that is. And now we can take this and we will bring it over to here. Let's do see-through because I can't see anything. Okay, now we are going to stretch this out. So let's get to it, shall we? Let's go like, I guess like that. It's about right. Okay. And so what we'll do is we will, I don't want to lose my only copy of this, so I'm going to put one aside. Okay, and then I'm going to take this one. I'm going to delete this circle, and I'm going to delete the circle down here because we don't need it. All right, now the depth that they went was about 23 millimeters or 2.3 millimeters. And I think what we had agreed on, hopefully, if I'm right here, let's explode all these things. I'm hoping that we are agreeing that the letters are going to go down. Let's explode those. There we go. And let's explode these. And then let's fix them though. So we need to face up some of the face on that one. Okay, and we need to some of the face on this one. There you go. And here, and here, and here, and here. And then here. My gosh, pretty much everywhere. Okay, there. Now, based on what I showed them, which was this here, that goes down and the letters go down and everything else stays up. What the heck did I just say? Okay. So we're going to send these down to 23. Okay. Hopefully this is going to come out nice for them. And I think that that is what they want. Now, it looks like one small problem I need to check. So let me make sure, fix and fix. And it fixed those, and now we have a perfect thing here. So what didn't, I see the difference is this went down and now this doesn't. So wait a minute, wait. If the letters went down, okay, I'm just gonna send a screenshot of this because I honestly have no idea if this is how they want it, or I'll make, you know what, I'll make two copies because edit, let me delete the guides here. Okay, because it's gonna be two different ways, I think, right? You have this way, dogs are getting pissy. Okay, you have this way here, and then let's make a copy, all right? And let's open this up. And just so we can, because on this one, you wouldn't need this circle in. That would just disappear, right? But in this one, if you had the circle, then you would raise everything back up. So let's do that. And you would basically drop the circle down. Okay, So then you would drop this down 23, and that, and that, and that, and that. Okay, a lot more things to click on here. I kind of almost like it better to have the letters, but that's just me. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what the intention is at the end, but if we were to drop these down, then it would look like that, which also I think looks cool. So you've got two options. I will give them both to figure out. Let me just take a screenshot of that. Okay, so where's the little screenshot button? Here it is. And let's do a new shot. Okay, there we go. And I will send them and we will see which one she likes. I think they're standing by actually, so might be cool. We might be able to find out while you guys are, while we're recording. Okay, she's looking at it now. Let's see. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see if we have done what we need to do to take care of the customer. And we are waiting. She's looking at both of them. I can tell. I think she's got her husband and her both trying to figure it out. So hopefully we've got something good here. I like the way it came out. I mean, I really do. And then if you shrink it down times 10. Oh, my wife is now writing me. What is she saying? Sorry, guys, but this is, I don't get to filter out what's happening. And my wife has friends over and they are, oh gosh. Oh, good Lord. All right, let's see. Yes, looks awesome. I like the one on the right. Perfect. Okay. No, we did it. So there you go. She likes the one. She likes this one, which is the one I like too. So that's cool. Her and her husband hopefully will be happy with this. Should meet the right size and specs. And that is all she wrote. Well, guys, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and export this out. And you see, again, that is done at no charge, guys. And the whole point is I love doing this stuff. It's fun for me. It keeps me sharp. So if you have anything you need done just like this, where you need something drawn up, or you've got something sketched, and you want me to turn it into something like this, you can 3D print it or laser engrave it or CNC it, just let me know. Be more than happy to do it for you guys, okay? All I ask is tune into the channel, let other people know. Hopefully we can build up a nice sized channel worth of free content. And that might generate me a couple $100 a month, which would be kind of cool, just so I can brag to my kids that I have 200 people following when they watch guys that have 5 million. Anyways, all right. God bless, guys. Talk to you soon. Peace. Bye.